Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Before you leave this video, please do not forget to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. And to my new subscriber, I appreciate you all for coming in. May God bless you all. So today is another tutorial, another look. You know we are in summer. Yeah, summer season, watermelon season, you know, that is the season we are now. So if you want to see how I create this look, how I achieve this look, stay to the end. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Juicy. Done with the eyebrow. So I'll be using a concealer to apply for the lane. So elegant concealer, that is what I'm using. So to apply, just apply it. Do the same thing the other side. So that is what. So I'm going to blend it with my brush which I used for the eyebrow before. So just blend it together. Need to blend it to your taste. So I'll be using from juva'splaceproducts. That is what I'll be using from. I will use this color here. So I'm using this brush. So I'll be using this color here, this golden color for my eyebrow. So I'm going to blend it very well with this clean brush. I will do the same thing the other side. So I'll be taking from Revolution. I'll be taking from Revolution. I will take this green color here. So I'm using this angle brush. So I will do the same thing the other side. Using this white liner so to create some so I'm using the pencil parts, a white liner pencil. So now I'll be using the dark eyeliner water liner to create a little bit. So I'll be doing my foundation, primer, and so I will be forwarding the foundation and also the primers for me not to make the video so long. So let's begin. To blend everything together. I'll be using my contour powder, so I'm using this brush here. I'll be using my blush F, so I'm using this Mary Kay powder, Mary Kay brush, just to Revolution highlighter. I'm coming back with the finished look with the hair and all. So this is the finished look of this tutorial of this watermelon look. If you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Juicy. Ciao. Bye.